Hello everyone, I'm Kumudini and on this channel I share journaling tips which you can use in your life to get it more sorted. Now, does it happen with you that you are scrolling on the internet and you see something and you really want to buy it, or maybe you are walking down in the mall and you see something and again you want to buy it? And we call them impulse buys because we end up buying them, but then they take a toll on our pockets. Today's video is all about how you can control it and how you can save money through. I'll take you through a quick video on how you can make a spread, and then I'll teach you how to actually efficiently use it to control your impulse buys and hence have more savings in your account. Now, once you have made a spread like this, obviously this is just one draft. You can do it however you like. Probably you just need these columns. The rest all arrangement is totally up to you. Now, what I do is whenever I want to buy something, I add it to a list and I call it a very casual shopping list. After I'm done with that list, what I do is I pick up elements or objects or products from that list and I add them in this one. So I try to decide. Obviously, you take your time to decide whether it's a want and a need. This is obviously going to be complicated, but be honest with yourself and give it, even if it takes 5 to 10 minutes on one product, I think it's worth it. Once you have decided whether it's a want or a need, you put it in that column. So needs are obviously things that you would want to buy. Now, how do you want to buy or when do you want to buy it is up to you. Look at your pockets, look at your budget, and then go ahead and plan it out. But when it comes to the wants column, what I do is I put a date in front of that particular product. So for example, maybe I say I want scrunchies today on 18th of October. On 18th of November, I'll put a date here of 18th of November. On that date, I'll check, do I still need scrunchies? Do I still want to buy them? If the answer is no, then obviously I can already cross it off my list. And once I cross it off my list, I give myself points. So these can be 10, 20, 50, 100 points depending on whatever you want. As and when you keep collecting these points, you can also set rewards for yourself. So maybe I say when I complete 500 points, I get a day off from work. Or maybe if I get 1000 points, I maybe treat myself to a cup of ice cream. Whatever works for you, obviously not something that is going to be a more expensive thing than what you wanted, but be a little vigilant or be a little more intelligent in rewarding yourself. And just in case after a month I still want that want, so maybe I still want scrunchies on 18th of November, I'll shift them to the needs section and I can then plan my buy from that point of view. Now make a list for yourself, see how it works out for you, and just try to compare whether your earnings have increased or decreased, or whether your savings have increased or decreased. I hope this helps, and whatever questions you have, you can please put it in the comment section and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on more such tips.